Hello friends, myself Mohit and I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matter. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Inviting our attention to the averments made in the election petition filed by the first respondent, he pointed out that paragraphs 3 and 4 of the election petition give the history of the declaration of the poll and subsequent postponement stop. Paragraph 5 refers to the fact that the representation made by the first respondent for challenging the validity of the nomination papers of the appellant and sixth respondent was rejected by the returning officer stop. He pointed out that in paragraph 6 of the election petition, the first respondent has relied upon 4 representations made to the returning officer alleging that the appellant has committed electoral misconduct, corrupt practice and acts of bribery stop. It is alleged that the first respondent handed over audio and video clippings to the returning officer to prove the allegations in the representations made by email addressed to the returning officer stop. In paragraph 7, the allegation is that result of the election is vitiated due to improper acceptance of the nomination paper of the appellant stop. Paragraph 8 contains a chart showing the respective votes polled by various candidates stop. In paragraph 9, it is alleged that the earlier election was cancelled due to misconduct on the part of the appellant and the sixth respondent and that they have suppressed the findings of the election commission recorded against them stop. He submitted that along with the election petition, copies of the representations made by the first respondent were filed stop. He urged that material facts and particulars regarding the alleged corrupt practices are not found in the election petition stop. He submitted that on the basis of applications made by the appellant, the High Court has directed the first respondent to file copies of emails, photographs and video footage which do not find place in the list of documents filed along with the election petition stop. He urged that the said direction is per se illegal stop. Learned senior counsel relied upon decisions of this court in the case stop. He submitted that once the paragraphs in the election petition concerning allegations of corrupt practice are struck out, nothing will survive in the election petition as the term of the appellant is already over and a fresh election has been held thereafter stop. Lastly, the learned senior counsel submitted that while deciding the applications made by the appellant, the High Court could have either allowed the applications or rejected the same stop. But the High Court has committed an error by directing the first respondent to produce documents which she had not produced. The learned counsel representing the first respondent pointed out that material facts in support of the allegations of corrupt practice are already pleaded in the election petition stop. He pointed out that the first respondent has relied upon representations made by her to various authorities in which specific details of corrupt practices have been set out stop. It is not pleaded how on the ground of the failure to disclose the said order, the appellant and sixth respondent were disqualified from contesting the election stop.